Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of Horilla. In today's video, let's see how can we generate payslip for individual employees or in bulk. So, Horilla simplifies the process of generating professional and detailed payslips with ease. The software automates the calculation of employee salaries, factoring in allowances, deductions, and taxes to ensure precision. For each pay period, Horilla generates accurate and comprehensive payslips, streamlining payroll management and enhancing transparency for both employers and employees. So let's see how can we generate payslips in Horilla. So for that, let's navigate to the payroll module under which we have the payslips. So in the payslip, we'll be able to view all the payslips that has been generated till date, and to create a new payslip for an employee, we can click on this create button. So in this form, we have to fill the employee name and the start date and end date, and then we'll be able to generate a payslip. So in this employee drop down over here, we'll be able to find all the employees who have a active contract running. So from this list, we'll be able to choose an employee for whom we are trying to generate the payslip for. So let's add the employee Emily Clark. I'm giving the start date, and we have to provide the start date and end date. I'm giving the start date as 1st November, and I'm providing the end date as 30th November and saving. So we can see that the pay slip saved, and this is the pay slips that has been generated, and over here we'll be able to find the status of the pay slip. So we have different status for the payslip like the draft, review ongoing, confirmed and paid. So as the payslip progresses, it's in its stages, we'll be able to change the stage from here. So we will be able to view the payslip. The date of the payslip. We have the employee details, the allowances, and the amount for each allowance. Similarly, we have the deductions and amounts for the deduction. Then we have the total gross pay, total deductions and all. Also, under under here we'll be able to find the total net payable, that is gross earnings minus the total deduction. So this is the total net payable that will be received by the employee. So we have more details over here, that is actual basic pay, paid days, LOP days, updated basic pay and all can be found over here. And then if you want to download the payslip, we can download the payslips, or else we'll be able to send it to the employee via mail. So this is the payslip, and now let's see how can we generate the payslip in bulk. So for that, let's go back, and under the actions we have the generate option over here. So let's click on generate, and we have to provide the batch name, the employee, the start and end date, and then we'll be able to generate the payslips. So let's give the batch name as November. And over here, we'll be able to choose multiple employees for whom we are trying to generate the payslips. So from here, we can generate payslips in bulk. So we also have the filter option. So let's click on filter, and let me filter out certain employees in a department and generate payslips for all those employees. So let's click on filter, and I'm filtering based on their work information. So let's click on work info, and I'm providing a department as HR department. And then we can click on filter. So all the employees in the HR department will be filtered out, and if you want to select any specific employees, we can simply click like that, select the checkbox like that, or else if you want to select all the employees, we can select all users. And upon clicking add, all the employees will be populated in the employee field over here. So now we'll be able to generate payslips for all these employees together, that is in bulk, and we also have to provide the start and end date. So I'm providing a start and end date, and I'm clicking on generate payslips. So we can see that 4 payslips saved as draft. So 4 payslips has been generated for all those employees, and we'll be able to find the payslips over here, and the status of the payslip that has been generated is in draft. So this is how we'll be able to create the generate the payslip for employees or generate the payslips in bulk. So that's all for this video and thank you for watching.